If you are an Excel lover, then this feature is for you. I bet you have already tried to export some data within a Power BI visual to an Excel file. The issue you probably had was having some static data and it is limited to 1,50,000 rows. So if you needed, for example, to make some monthly analysis report, you were probably re-exporting the data every month. So since the January 2023 release, you have a brand new option when exporting the data from Power BI services called Excel with Live Connection. What this means is your data is linked to the Power BI dataset using the live connection, and in this way it will be always up to date. So of course, if on the Power BI side you put in some data, now there is no more need to re-export the data every month. You just have to click on the refresh button and the data will get refreshed and you will see the live data. And in Excel, you can use your familiar formulas that you are used to when working with this data.